Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to share calendar to other people's in Outlook. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can sign in to your Outlook account. I'm using website version here. You can use your desktop app. After that you can go to your settings in the top right corner here, the gear icon, and then you can navigate to the calendar here and you will see shared calendars. And as you can see, share a calendar, you can share a calendar with other people and choose whether to let them to edit or see the calendar. So you can just choose the calendar. I have only one calendar here, this one. Then you can click share and now you can type the email. After that, there will be option to choose if they can view in details or also they can edit. So it's up to you. I'm gonna choose this one, can edit and click share. And it's sent, they will get the notification and they can edit your calendar. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.